Hi, today we're going to talk about bulk emails. What is a bulk email? A bulk email is a marketing email sent by a brand to multiple recipients at once. It has multiple goals that include promoting their brand, selling goods, and developing relationships. Let's look at a few of the types of bulk emails. A common type of bulk email is a newsletter. You can use them to keep subscribers up to date about what is going on with your brand, share insights, guides, or other useful content. Next, we have promotional emails. This is probably what comes to mind when you think of a marketing email. These are used to build brand awareness and move customers down the sales funnel. They are also used to promote particular products, product launches, or complementary products to go along with a customer's previous purchase. Use them to target both prospective customers and returning customers. Then we have acquisition emails. These are emails sent specifically to leads with the goal of converting them to customers. They can be used to share special offers to convince leads to make a purchase from your brand. Retention emails are used to keep customers engaged with your brand. This builds brand loyalty and ultimately can provide you with brand advocates. What is a bulk email service? A bulk email service is a marketing platform that allows you to send emails en masse. This can include up to hundreds, thousands, or millions of recipients at a time. These services should offer you personalization and segmentation so that you can send the right message at the right time. There are a few things that you should look for from your bulk email service. The first is that they abide by the CAN-SPAM Act. This means that your bulk email service helps you keep your campaigns legal and avoids sending spam. You want to make sure that your bulk email service helps you gather subscribers. This can be through subscription forms, chatbots, or other methods of subscription that will bring your mailing list new leads. Likewise, a good bulk email service will help you manage your subscriptions and the opt-in or opt-out processes. A bulk email service should provide email templates that are dynamic and mobile-friendly. This will make sure that your emails look great on any device or any screen resolution. Naturally, you want to make sure that your bulk email service can help you send bulk emails with excellent deliverability. Lastly, a good bulk email service will provide you with statistics and analytics on your campaigns so you can monitor everything closely and make changes on the fly. How to send bulk emails without spamming and getting blacklisted. There are several best practices you want to keep in mind because being labeled as a spammer is dangerous for your brand. First, you want to make sure that you don't add suspicious links or attachments. Email inbox providers are very vigilant about the links and attachments that you include. So if you include links to a questionable site, it could result in your emails being blocked. The same applies to documents and attachments. If an email attachment has a strange-looking title or includes download links to a free hosting service or password-protected archive, the email is likely to be considered spam. To avoid these issues, use links to safe sites, don't shorten your links, and be sure that any attachments are legitimate. Always have a plain text version of your email. Although plain text emails are not very common, email inbox providers like to see that you have included a plain text email, and this will help you avoid being flagged by spam filters. The next tip is crucial. Make sure that you have a visible unsubscribe link. Not only is this required by the CAN-SPAM Act, it also helps recipients unsubscribe instead of marking your emails as spam. This will help your deliverability in the long run. Use a recognizable sender name and sender email address. Just like when you introduce yourself, you want to make sure that your email introduces itself well. Use a recognizable name and don't send too many emails. Sending emails too often without an unsubscribe link is a sure way to have subscribers mark your emails as spam. Stick to an email frequency between once a week and once a month. Pay close attention to your email's design. Font, text style, colors, and images can tell a lot about your particular email. Avoid using all caps, exclamation points, or too many images or videos. Be sure that your email is free of typos, unreadable text, or cringy language. It's important to keep tabs on your reputation. The MX Toolbox is very useful for checking whether your IP has been blacklisted. Enter your IP address or domain and run a blacklist check. If there is a green check mark beside the blacklist that you checked against, it means that your server or IP has not been found on that particular blacklist. You want to see only green check marks. Use double opt-in for your subscriptions. Send subscription confirmation emails to new subscribers to verify that they signed up for your brand's emails on purpose. This process will lower your unsubscribe rates and greatly reduce your chances of receiving spam complaints. Clean your mailing list regularly. It's natural in email marketing that some subscribers will lose interest in your emails. It's best to remove these subscribers from your list. Sending emails to people who are not interested is costly and can hurt your reputation. Lastly, be sure to use SPF and DKIM signatures in your email marketing campaigns. These technical terms allow your campaigns to be authenticated to your brand and server. This means that the receiving server is able to identify that this email came from your brand. This greatly reduces your chances of being marked as spam.